सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वंदे वाल्मीकि कोकिलं। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। कियत् दूरम् आगतवन्तः वयं श्रीनिवास? गतकक्षायां षडशीतितमः श्लोकः समाप्तः। अद्य 87तमः श्लोकः पठनीयः। अभ्यासाः अपि सर्वे अभ्यासाः समाप्ताः आसन् गतकक्षायां। सो श्लोकः पठ्यताम्। अच्छा, ओके, पञ्चवाक्यानि पठतु। गृह पाठः, होमवर्क वाज गिवन टू यू। गृहपाठः, श्रीनिवासस्य गृहपाठः पञ्चवाक्य निर्माणं कृतम्। इदानीं सर्वे शृण्वन्तु।
पुष्पकविमानं मनोवेगेन चलति।
साधु। पुष्पकविमानं मनोवेगेन चलति।
वस्तुतः पुष्पकविमानं कुबेरस्य।
वस्तुतः पुष्पकविमानं कुबेरस्य आसीत् इति अध्याहारम्।
पुष्पकविमानं यन्त्ररहितं।
यन्त्ररहितं पुष्पकविमानं। साधु।
रावणः कुबेरात् पुष्पकविमानं बलात्कारेण स्व्यकरोत्।
स्व्यकरोत्। रावणः कुबेरात् पुष्पकविमानं बलात्कारेण स्व्यकरोत्, स्वीकृतवान्। अथवा तव तु प्रत्ययस्य प्रयोगं यदि प्रयोगः क्रियते स्वीकृतवान्, लङ् प्रयोगः यदि क्रियते तर्हि स्व्यकरोत्। स्वी प्लस् आ प्लस् करोति इति स्व्यकरोत् इति लङ्। साधु।
रामः एतेन विमानेनैव अयोध्यां प्रत्यागच्छत्। रामः एतेन अनेन अथवा एतेन विमानेनैव अयोध्यां प्रत्यागच्छत् इति। साधु। पञ्चवाक्यानि निर्मितानि साधु वाक्यानि। इदानीं श्लोकः पठ्यतां श्रीनिवास। भरद्वाजाश्रमं गत्वा रामः सत्यपराक्रमः भरतस्यान्तिके रामो हनुमन्तं व्यसर्जयत्।
अत्र श्लोके अपि व्यसर्जयत् इति लङ् प्रयोगः। विसर्जन, व्यसर्जयत्, डिस्मिस्ड् इति आङ्ग्लभाषायां यत् वयं कथयामः। विसर्जयत् इति प्रत्यागच्छत् इति वत् व्यसर्जयत्। विसृज इति धातुः तत्र दत्तः अस्ति। पदच्छेदं कुर्मः श्रीनिवास। भरद्वाज आश्रमं, तत्रापि सन्धिः वर्तते। भरद्वाज आश्रमम् इति समस्तं पदं। गत्वा आरामः, सत्यपराक्रमः। भरतस्य अन्तिके रामः हनुमन्तं व्यसर्जयत् इति क्रियापदम्। पदपरिचयं कुर्मः। भरद्वाजाश्रमं गत्वा आरामः सत्यपराक्रमः भरतस्य अन्तिके रामः हनुमन्तं तकारान्त हनुमान् हनुमन्तौ हनुमन्तः प्रथमायां, द्वितीय विभक्तौ हनुमन्तं हनुमन्तौ हनुमन्तौ हनुमतः हनुमतः इति भवति एकवचन। अन्ते व्यसर्जयत् वि उपसर्ग, निच् प्रयोगः, एकवचन व्यसर्जयत्। आकांक्षा एवमस्ति। व्यसर्जयत्, व्यसर्जयत् नाम डिस्मिस्ड और डिस्पैच्ड, सेंट, dispatched, okay, whatever it is. Pustake dispatched, sent, dismissed also. Kaha vyasarjayat, who dispatched? Rama dispatched. Kidrushaha Ramaha vyasarjayat. What type of Rama did dispatch? Satya Parakramaha. One whose Parakrama, power was rooted in Satya. Satyameva Parakramam. So that analysis we will see later. Satya Parakrama, Ramaha Visarjayat. Okay. Punaha, again, Kidrushaha Rama. What type of Rama did dismiss? Arama, Samantat Ramayatiti. One who gives joy to all people. The joy giver, delighter, we can say delighter, Angla Bhashayam. Samantat Ramayatiti. Anandam Dadatiti. Sarvebhyaha. Aramaha Ramaha. Ramayatiti Ramaha. Rama Shabdasya Vyutpattirapi Tadrushi Eva. Ramayati. Bhaktan Ramayati. Sadhun Ramayati. Iti Ramaha. Karshati. Akarshati iti Krishnaha. Krishnasya Karshanam. Ramasya Aramanam. So Aramaha Ramaha. Ramaha kam vyasarjayat. Whom did Rama dispatch or dismiss?
Ramaha Hanumantam vyasarjayat.
Yes, before he left to Ayodhya, he dispatched Hanuman to inform the people in advance that everything is fine. Now I am going to come following you. So Rama dismissed or dispatched Hanuman. Rama Hanumantam kutra vyasarjayat. Where did Rama dispatch or dismiss Hanuman to?
Rama Hanumantam Bharatasya Antike vyasarjayat.
Rama sent Hanuman to near to Bharata, because Bharata was the in charge king that time, Ayodhya. Bharatasya Antike Samipe. Rama Hanumantam Bharatasya Samipe vyasarjayat. Rama dispatched him or sent him near to Bharata to inform him about his coming. Kim Kruta, because Bharata had taken one promise from Rama. If you don't come, delay by one day also, I will not live. You should come exactly on time after finishing your Vanavasa. That is it. Kutra Gatva Vyasarjayat. Okay. Kim Krutva Vyasarjayat. Telling what did he dismiss him?
Gatva Vyasarjayat.
Having gone to some place, he dispatched. Having gone where? Kutra Gatva Vyasarjayat. So, having gone to the ashrama of Bharadwaja, he dispatched him towards Bharata. So, that is Akanksha Anvayam.
Aramaha Satya Parakramah Ramaha Bharadwaja Ashramam Gatva Bharatasya Antike Hanumantam Vyasarjayat.
Aramaha, that already you have seen, Rama, who gives pleasure to all people. Then Satya Parakramaha, who had the unfailing power and whose power was rooted in truth, unfailing. Ramaha Bharadwaja Ashramam Gatva, having gone to the ashrama of Bharadwaja, Bharatasya Antike, near to the Antika Shabda, you know, Srinivas, already we have come across, Samipe. Bharatasya Antike Samipe Hanumantam Anjaneyam Vyasarjayat. He dispatched him to Hanuman towards to go over to Bharata and inform him. That is the Anvayartha Padartham Pashyamah. Aramaha
Anandadaha.
Anandadaha. Anandam Dadati iti Anandadaha. The giver of happiness. The very word Rama, as has been commented by commentators, is a word which gives us joy. Ramayati, it gives us joy. So people who do Rama Nama Japa, they get joy, enjoyment, spiritual enjoyment. Satya Parakramaha, Amogha. So Amogha means unfailing. One who had the unfailing power, rooted in Satya. Ramaha, that is proper noun. Bharadwaja Ashramam.
Bharadwaja Namakasya Rishehe
Tapasthalim. So that was the place of penance, Tapasthalim, ashramam of Bharadwaja. And sage by name Bharadwaja. Gatva Pretya. Pretya also means something else philosophically. after dying, but here having gone, gatva nama pratigatva. Okay, Bharatasya Kaikeyi putrasya. So Bharata was his half brother. Tike Hanumantam Vyasarjayat Preshitavan Bheja. So dispatch. Bhavartam patami. Sarva Sukha Dayi Ramaha Suchayitum. So Bhavartaha evam asti Sarva Sukha Dayi Sarvebhyaha Sukham Dadati iti. Sarvebhyaha Pranibhyaha Sarva Sukhadayi, the giver of happiness to all, Amogha Vikramaha, and with a power which was unfailing, Rama, Bharadvaja Namnaha Rushehe Munehe Ashramasthalam Gatva, having gone to the place of a sage by name Bharadvaja, Nijagamanam, Nija Agamanam, Swasya Agamanam, about his arrival. Whose arrival? Nijagamanam nama Ramasya Agamana Vishaye. Agamanam Suchayitum. To indicate about his coming, his own coming. He is reaching towards, he is going to the Ayodhya capital city. Bharatasya Nikate, near to Bharata, Hanumantam Preshitavan. He sent Hanuman to inform Bharata about the arrival of Rama in advance. Iti bhavartah. Nidarsanam vyakana prakriya sandayah trayah sandayah sandhi ekaha bharatasyaantike simple savarna divasa Ramo Hanumantam visarga sandhi Bharadvaja ashramam Bharadvaja savarna divasa sandhi punah. So dirgha sandhi dvayam ekah visarga sandhi samasa dvayam asti atra Bharadvaja ashramam Bharadvajasya ashramaha tam Bharadvaja ashram iti sadharana vigrahavakyam. Satya parakramaha Satya parakramaha yasya saha, one who had the valor which was truth, which was Satyaha means Amogaha, unfailing and truth, real Parakrama. Krudantaha ekam krudantam gatva gam tva, that is very simple. So abhyasaha 360तमः abhyasaha atra katis kevalam षड् अंशाः सन्ति अत्र. प्रथम अंश श्लोकम् आश्रित्य उत्तरं लेखनीयम्. रामः कं व्यसर्जयत्? हनुमन्तं. रामः हनुमन्तं व्यसर्जयत्. सः नाम रामः तं कस्य अन्तिके व्यसर्जयत्? To whom did he send? Near to whom did he send? सः भरतं सः तं also कस्य? भरतस्य अन्तिके व्यसर्जयत्. सः तं भरतस्य अन्तिके व्यसर्जयत्. He sent him. Tam means him, to near to Bharata. So kasya will be answered as Bharatasya. Saha Ramaha kutra gatva tam vyasarjayat. Bharadvajashramam gatva tam vyasarjayat. So kutra will be replaced here. Saha Bharadvajashramam gatva tam vyasarjayat iti uttaram. Kim bhutaha Ramaha tam vyasarjayat. What type of Rama sent him? Ramaha tam vyasarjayat. Satya parakrama. Yes, Satya parakrama. Ramaha also. So whatever is there in the sloka, तदेव अत्र लेखनीयमस्ति. द्वितीय अंशः यथान्वयं रिक्तस्थानं फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. सत्यपराक्रमः रामः आश्रमं भरतस्य अन्तिके हनुमन्तं व्यसर्जयत्. वेरी सिंपल, जस्ट रिपीट इट वंस अगेन. आरामः सत्यपराक्रमः रामः भरद्वाजाश्रमं गत्वा
भरतस्य
अन्तिके हनुमन्तं व्यसर्जयत् इति। तत्र केवलम् अन्वयार्थः इव अस्ति। तृतीयांशः समानार्थकशब्दान् लिखत। रामः दाशरथिः इति अन्यत् नामधेयम्। दशरथस्य पुत्रः अपत्यं पुमान्, दशरथस्य अपत्यं पुमान् दाशरथिः इति तादृश तद्धितान्त। देन् आश्रमः, आश्रमः मीन्स् पर्णशाला, तपोवनं, तपस्थली, yes, उटजः, उटजः, there are so many, उटजः, तपस्थली from the text. अनन्तरं क, अच्छा, we are going this way. क पराक्रमः, विक्रमः, बलं, simple word is बलं, बलं पराक्रमः, विक्रमः, आश्रमः उटजः, अन्तिके समीपे, व्यसर्जयत्
प्रेषितवान्,
प्रेषितवान्, वेरी गुड, प्रेषितवान्, प्राहिनोत्, प्राहिनोत्, समप्रेषयत्, सम अप्रेषयत्, समप्रेषयत्. So some we may write later, I will remember. We will take up this writing. Third one. Fourth, अधोलिखित पदानां प्रातिपदिकं लिंगं विभक्तिं वचनं च. This should point out these things. Base form, gender, case and the number. For example, Bharadwajashramam. Pratipadika is, the base is Bharadwajashrama. It is a pullinga word. Tatra vibhaktihi dvitiya asti, vachanam asti ekavachanam. Bharadwajashramam iti padasya etadrusham tatra vivechanam. Okay, next, Samaha.
Rama.
I'm sorry, Rama.
Rama.
Rama iti pratipadikam, lingam purlingam, vibhaktihi prathama, ekavachanam. Satyaparakramaha. Satyaparakrama iti pratipadikam, purlingaha, prathama ekavachanam punah. Bharatasya, Bharata iti pratipadikam, akarantaha, purlingaha, prathama, षष्ठी एकवचन, षष्ठी, भरतस्य षष्ठी एकवचन. अन्तिके प्रातिपदिकम्, अन्तिक इति प्रातिपदिकम् अस्ति, नपुंसकलिङ्गः, सप्तमी एकवचनं. हनुमन्तं, हनुमत् इति शब्दः पुंलिङ्गशब्दः, द्वितीया एकवचनं. So these are all simple. Ramah is very simple, Satyaparakrama simple, Bharadasya is simple, Antike is Antika Shabda, Saptami, Napumsaka, Ekavachana, Hanumantam is Takaranta Pullinga Shabda, Dvitiya Ekavachana. Panchamamshaha, Langi in past tense, Kriyapadam, Lati Parivarte. So the verbs Yani, Kriyapadani, Langi, Dattani Santi Atra, Tani, Lati Parivartanam Karaniyam, Srinivasa. Langi Vartamanani क्रियापदानि लटि परिवर्तनं करणीयम्. उदाहरणार्थं व्यसर्जयति इति लङ् प्रयोगः, लङ्गः लङ्गि प्रयोगः. एतस्य क्रियापदस्य लटि रूपं विसर्जयति इति भवति. विसर्जयति इति लट् रूपं, लटः रूपं. प्रेजेंट टेंस फॉर्म इज विसर्जयति, पास्ट टेंस इज व्यसर्जयत्. यथा भवता प्रयुक्तं पंचवाक्येषु प्रत्यगच्छत् इति, व्यसर्जय वि असर्ज. इदानीं ख प्रत्यपादयत्, प्रतिपादयति, प्रतिपादयति साधु. उदतिष्ठत्, उत्तिष्ठति. उद् प्लस अतिष्ठत् लंगी, परंतु लटि उदत् उत्तिष्ठति, उत्तिष्ठति उत्तिष्ठति उदतिष्ठति. Ga. Akarayat. Karayati. Nyavedayat. Nivedayati. Sadhu. Sarlameva. Pratyagamayat. Pratigamayati. Easy, na? Can make out. Just repeat. Pratipadayati. Stati. Nivedayati. Pratigamayati. Pratigamayati. Antimamshaha. अत्र प्रदत्तान् शब्दान् प्रयुज्य कतिचन वाक्य निर्माण पृथक् पत्रे लिख आश्रम you can make sentences, you can do it later. I will give one ashram. Ramah Bharadwajasya ashramam gatavan. One word. Antike Bharatasya antike Hanumantam Vyasarjayat. Visruj, okay, niche. Lati langi. Oh, he wants this also. Visarjayati, lati. Visarjayati, visarjayataha, visarjayanti. Visarjayasi, visarjayatha, visarjayatha. Visarjayami, visarjayavaha, visarjayamaha. Iti rupani bhavanti. Lati. Langi. Lat niche also is there, Visarjayati in that. Lang also Vyasarjayat, if you know one, you can derive the other. Yadi ekam rupam smaryate navarupeshu. Pratyekam dhatoho tatra kriyapadani kati bhavanti? Nava rupani bhavanti. Subanteshu eka vimshati rupani. 21 forms. 7 into 3. Parantu Tinganteshu in verbs Kriyapadeshu Navarupani Bhavanti. Ekasya Dhatoho. Pratyekam Dhatoho Navarupani Bhavanti. Yadi Prathama Purushasya Ekavachana Rupam Smaryati Tarhi Seshani Ashta Rupani Smartum Sulabham Bhavati. Shakyam Bhavati. Idanim Prathama Purushasya एकवचन रूपम विसर्जयति इति लटि रूप लटः रूपस्य लंगी कथं भवति व्यसर्जयति इति भवति. If the third person singular of past tense visarjayati is vyasarjayat, then you go there. Vyasarjayat, vyasarjayatam, vyasarjayan. Agachat, abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan. Lang smartavyam. Langi yani rupani bhavanti tat smartavyam. Vyasarjayaha, vyasarjayatam, vyasarjayata, vyasarjayam, vyasarjayava, vyasarjayama iti bhavati. Understand? Vyasarjayat is there, na? So regularly you take abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan, abhavaha, abhavatam, abhavata, abhavam, pratama uttama purushe, abhavam, abhavava, abhavama, vat, vyasarjayat, vyasarjayaha, vyasarjayam. Try it, otherwise you will write it. Next. Now,
construct one sentence. Lucky and Langi.
Oh, sentences also. You can take contextual. Ramaha anumantam visarjayati. Ayodhyam gantum visarjayati. Or another sentence. Bahujanaha Hyderabad nagare Vinayaka vigrahan अत्र हुसैन सागरे विसर्जयन्ति. सन्यासी सर्वान् संबंधान् विसर्जयति. Leaves something. You can that. You can make that. Then Langi Vyasarjayat only. Like Ramaha Hanumantam Vyasarjayat Bharatasya Antike. You can make any on that same basis, okay? But I wanted to write this third one, Srinivas. Or repeat, let us repeat. Third part is synonyms. Parakramaha Balam Vikramaha, you said. Ashramaha Utajaha, Tapasthali, etc. Antike Samipe, very simple. Vyasarjayat, Samapreshayat, etc. That is one word. And the rest are simple. If you listen to our class again, you can make it out. Idanim Ashtashiti tamah slokah. Pataniya. Patyata.
पुनराख्यायिकां जल्पन् सुग्रीवसहितस्तदा पुष्पकं तत्समारुह्य नन्दिग्रामं ययौ
तदा पुनराख्यायिकां पुनः आख्यायिकां जल्पन् वृत्तं जल्पन् सुग्रीवसहितः तदा पुष्पकं तत् समारुह्य नन्दिग्रामं ययौ तदा इति पदच्छेदः पदपरिचयं पुनः अव्ययम् आख्यायिकाम् आख्यायिका नाम वृत्तान्तम् आकारान्त जल्पन् तकारान्त दिस इज ओरिजिनली शत्रु प्रत्ययान्त जल्पन् जल्पन्तौ जल्पन्तः एक्चुअली इट इज शत्रु प्रत्ययान्तं जल्पन् सुग्रीव सहितः समस्त पद सदा पुष्पकं तत् विवचनं समारुह्य नन्दिग्रामं ययौ या इति धातुः कर्तरि लिट् या प्रयाणे याति याति इति यात्रा यात्रा शब्दः अस्मात् धातोः एव निष्पन्नः भवति याति एति वित्तमेति च याति च once I told you the definition of money vittam eti cha yati cha this is the ya vittam eti nama agacchati yati goes that is called vittam money is what comes in and goes out. Okay, Akanksha Srinivas Ramaha understood yayau went. Literally means yayau went, but the book says here flew. You have to go. Left, went is correct. Reached, Hindi Bhashayam Praptavan, but not flew. Flew is not reached. Rama went, Rama reached, Rama got to destination. Okay, Kidrushaha Rama, what type of Rama reached?
Sugriva Sahitah Rama.
Along with Sugriva, accompanied by Sugriva, Rama reached. Kutra Ev, where did he go? He went to Nandigrama. Kim Samarkhya Ev, mounting, climbing, riding on what? Having climbed, boarded. Okay, if it is a flight, we have to say boarding. Boarding pass. Tat Pushpakam Samarkhya Ev. He, having boarded the Pushpaka Vimana, he left. Kim Kurvan Yayav, doing what did he go? Jalpan, talking about. Jalpan Nama Vadan Katayan. Kim Jalpan Yayav, talking what did he go? Akhyayikam Jalpan, talking about the previous incidents. He left. Anvayartham.
तदा सुग्रीव सहितः रामः तत्पुष्पकं पुनः समारुह्य आख्यायिकां जल्पन् तदा नन्दिग्रामं ययौ.
Tada then Sugriva Sahitaha, Sugrivena Sahitaha Rama, accompanied by Sugriva, Tat Pushpakam Punaha Samaruhya, again boarding that plane called Pushpaka, Akhyayikam Jalpan, talking about the previous anecdotes, stories. Tada then Nandigramam, a place called Nandigrama, he left, he went to. Tadartham Pashramaha, Tada Asmin Samaye. Sugriva Sahitaha, accompanied by Sugriva. Tat Pushpakam Vimanam Punaha Bhuyaha Samaruhya Akhyayikam Vrittam Utantam Jalpan Vadan Kathayan Vadan. Tada.
Tasmin eva dine.
That very day. Nandi Gramam. Nandi Namakam Gramam. A place called Nandi. Yayau. Praptavan. Praptavan. Reached. Bhavartham.
Bharadvajashramat nisrutya Sugrivaadivihi
Samupetaha
Sriramaha Punaha Pushpaka Vimanam Adhiruhya Bharata Sambandhi Vruttam Kathayan Bharata Nivasasthalam Nandikramam Pratiprasthita.
So Bharata was stationed in Nandigrama. He was not in Ayodhya actually. So he stationed, he did not want to go to Ayodhya in spite of Rama's telling. So he went to meet him in Nandigrama. Bharadvaja Ashramat Nisrutya. Starting, leaving from the place of Bharadvaja. So Ashrama. Sugrivadibihi Samupeta. Accompanied by Sugriva, Anuman and others. Anuman of course left earlier. Angada and others. Sri Ramaha, Lord Rama. Punaha again. Pushpaka Vimanam Adhiruhya Aruhya. Boarding the Pushpaka Vimana. Bharata Sambandhi Vruttam Akhyayikam Kathayan, talking about the anecdote, what is a previous previous story of relating to Bharata. Bharata Nivasa Sthalam, the place of Bharata's residence, that is Nandigrama, Prati, towards that he started, he reached or went. So Nandigrama was a part of Ayodhya in those days. It was close to Ayodhya by others. Nidarshanam Srinivas, Vyakaranamshaha, Sandhi. Oh, very few are there in this. No time. Sandhi Punarakyayitum Punaha Akhyayikam. Sorry. Punarakyayikam Punaha Akhyayikam. Visarga Sandhi. Sahitas Tada. Visarga Sandhi. और समासः एकः एव सुग्रीव सहितः सुग्रीवेण तत्पुरुष कृदन्ताः कृदन्तद्वयं जल्पन् जल्पशत्रु जल्पन् जल्पन्तौ जल्पन्तः वद वदन् वदन्तौ वदन्तः कथयन् कथयन्तौ कथयन्तः. You have that so many slokas in Gita, na? Shatrupatayanta is very easy. We will see when we go to that. Samaruhya, sam iti upasarga, a iti upasarga, ruha iti dhatu. Lyap prayoga, samaruhya, adhiruhya, shamyata. Tadditantaha ekaha, tada, tad plus da, tasmin samaye iti. Koshaha api dattaha asti, akhyayika. Akhyayikopalabdhartha. Upalabdhartha. Akhyayika plus Upalabdhartha. Upalabdhartha means katha, story. Either you say Akhyayika, story, Upalabdhartha also means story, a true story. Upalabdhartha means a true story which happened. Upalabdha. So, in other words, anecdote iti Angla Bhashayam. Akhyayika nama anecdote, tale, T-A-L-E, tale, Angla Bhashayam. Akhyayika. Iti Amarakoshaha, Abhyasaha, Chatushashtitamaha, Uttaram Lekhaniyam Srinivasa, Yayau iti Kriyapadasya Kartakaha. Who is the agent of the verb Yayau? Ramaha, no doubt. Saha kutra yev, where did he go? Nandigramam. Saha kim aruhya yev, boarding, what did he go? Pushpakam. Pushpakam aruhya yev. Saha kena saha yev, accompanied by with him, whom did he go? Saha sugrivena saha yev. And now, just 1 second here, Srinivas. Saha is there, na? That is Sarvanama Shabda. There is one more, Saha is there. Pronunciation both are same. Saha tena saha. So both sound same, but one is avyaya, another is sarvanama shabda. Sahatena saha, Sugrivena saha. So okay. Yayau iti kriyapade moola dhatuhu kaha. What is the base root? Ya. That is, So Ramaha, answers are Yaya Nandigramam. Third one is Pushpakam. Fourth one is Sugrivena. And the last one is Ya is the moola dhatuhu. Yayau iti kriyapadasya liti vartamanasya kriyapadasya dhatuhu ya iti dhatuhu. Dvitiyamsha karmani kartari bhave parivartayata. Oh, this is little effort you have to put. Kaschana shramaha atra avashyaka. Ramaha Nandigramam gatavan. Now, what sentence it is? You know this. Active voice, passive voice. Active voice. Kartari prayogaha asti. Ayam prayogaha kartari asti. Yadi kartari asti chet karmani परिवर्तनीयम् रामः इति पदस्य किं भवति तृतीया रामेण that is already done नन्दिग्रामम् इति द्वितीयान्ते अस्ति प्रथमान्ते नन्दिग्रामः इति भवति गतवान् इति पदस्य गतः इति रामः गतः रामेण गतः इति कर्मणि Bhave, it is a bhave also. Nandigramah gataha, since it is karmani prayoga. Bhave is coming next. Okay, next. Saha tatra sugriva sahitaha gatavan. So how do you convert this into? Same way, Srinivas. Tena, saha become tena, tatra Sugriva sahitaha sahitaha. Tena tatra Sugriva sahitaha, that won't change. Gataha. Tena tatra gataha. Repeat it. Tena tatra Sugriva sahitaha gataha. Next. Saha pushpakam aruhya gatavat. This is also passive voice. Karmani prayoga. Now third one is Saha Pushpakam Aruhya Gatavan. He went there, active voice. Same way. Tena. Same way, Srinivas. Tena Pushpakam Aruhya Gataha. Very simple. Tena Pushpakam Aruhya Gataha. Saha Pushpakam Aruhya Gatavan. Saha Bharadvajashrame Bharatam Militavan. Again, Tena Ashrame Bharataha, here Bharata Militaha. Tena Bharadvajashrame Bharataha Militaha. Militavan becomes Militaha. Tena Militaha. Kaha Militaha? Who was met? Bharataha Militaha. Bharata was met. So Bharatam from Dvitiya, you put it in Prathama. Dvitiyataha Prathamayam Tatra Parivartanam. Tena Bharadvajashrame Bharataha Militaha. Antimaha? Antimam Vakyam Sarve Militva Ayodhyam Gatavan. All together went to Ayodhya from Nandigrama. So, or whatever place it is. Now, Sarve is Prathama Bahuvachana. Sarvaha, Sarvau, Sarve. Put it in Trutiya Bahuvachana. No. Bahuvachana. Sarvaihi. Sarvena Sarvabhyam Sarvaihi. Sarvaihi. Militva same. Ayodhya, that changes now. Ayodhya. Sarvaihi Militva Ayodhya. Gatavantaha changes to Gata. No. Gata only. Ayodhya is subject here. Sarvaihi Militva Ayodhya Gata. Ayodhya was gone by all together. So, just to repeat, or shall I write? You want better write. This is because passive voice is 2 na 64 2. तेन तत्र सुग्रीव सहितः सर्वत्र यत्र यत्र सः इति भवति तत्र तत्र तेन इति तेन
पुष्पकम् आरुह्य तेन भरद्वाजाश्रमे
भरतेन
भरद्वाजाश्रमे भरतः मिलितः
So here the subject is this Bharatah Militah. Sarve become Sarvaihi iti. Sarvaihi militva. Gata. Why Gata? Because Ayodhya iti Strilinga padam asti, atah Gata iti क्रियापदं भवति मिलित्वा सर्वैः सर्वे इति पदस्य सर्वैः सः इति पदस्य सर्वनाम नाम्नः तेन इति सः इति तेन
तेन तत्र सुग्रीव
सहितः
तेन
Pushpakam Aruhya. I have separate. Yeah, simple Sandhi, it is not a Sandhi.
Tena Bharadvajashrame Bharatah Militah Ashram Sarvaihi Militva
Ayodhya Gata. Ayodhya Gata. Sugri, I have just combined that. It is not a Sandhi. Bharadvaja. Next, Anantaram Shabda Rupam Purayata. Okay, this is declension. Akhyayikam iti. Akhyayika iti shabdasya akaranta strilinga shabdah. Ayam shabdah. Akaranta strilinga asti kalu. Akaranta. Asya shabdasya dvitiya ekavachanam dvivachanam bhagavachanam tatra. Oh, one way I missed it. Sorry, sir. Sutiyamshaha slokasthan subanta tinganta krudanta taditanta shabdan prutak prutak sankalayat. So separate these words. Subanta means nouns, tinganta means verbs, krudanta means verbal derivatives, taditanta means noun, verbal nouns, and then shabdan, these separate you. So for example, subanta. Lest subanta means nouns first. Take out the nouns first. Sugriva. Akhyayika, Akhyayikam, Pushpakam, and one more, Nandigram. Nandi, that's all. These are Subantas. Etani Subanta Padani. Chatvari Santi Padani. Sugriva iti ekaha shabdaha, Akhyayika iti anyaha shabdaha, Pushpakam iti trutiyaha shabdaha, Nandigrama iti chaturtaha shabdaha, atava chaturtam padam. एतानि सुबंतानि सन्ति सुबंत शब्दाः सन्ति एते तिङन्तानि ययौ एक एव तिङन्त शब्दः तिङन्तम् एकमेव पदमस्ति ययौ इति तिङन्तं मीन्स् वर्ब् क्रियापदम् जल्पन् इस् नाट् तिङन्त शत्रन्त पार्टिसिपल् दट् इस् शत्रु प्रत्ययान्त सो केवलं कृदन्त ऐ मीन् तिङन्तं तिङन्तः एक एव शब्दः एकमेव पदमस्ति तत्र ययौ इति कृदन्तौ सो इट कम्स अंडर कृदन्त शत्रु शानच् जल्पन् जल्पन् इति एकं समार्ह्य इति अन्यत् तिङन्त तत्र कृदन्तौ द्वौ कृदन्तौ तत्र जल्पन् इति एकः शब्दः समार्ह्य इति अन्यः शब्दः अन्ते तद्धितान्तः एकः शब्दः अस्ति तदा इति तदा सो सुबन्त सुग्रीव आख्यायिका और आख्यायिका फर्स्ट सुग्रीव पुष्पक एंड नंदिग्राम तिङन्त वर्ब इज ययौ कृदन्तौ आर टू जल्पन् समारुह्य एंड तद्धितान्त इज तदा सो इदानीं डिक्लेन्शन सो ख यू कैन टेक सुग्रीव सहितः एकवचनं द्विवचन बहुवचनं तत्र पूरणीयम् सुग्रीव सहितः सुग्रीव सहितौ सुग्रीव सहिताः प्रथमायां यदि अस्ति चेत् एकवचनं द्विवचनं प्रथमायां बहुवचनं प्रथमायां तत्र लेखनीयं सुग्रीव सहितः इति एकवचनं प्रथमा सुग्रीव सहितौ सुग्रीव सहिताः इति भवति अनन्तरं पुष्पकं पुष्पके पुष्पकाणि पुष्पकं पुष्पके पुष्पकाणि पुष्पकं कुड बी प्रथमा पुष्पकं कुड बी द्वितीय वी डोंट नो बिकॉज नपुंसकलिंग शब्द अंडरस्टैंड दिस वर्ड कैन बी इदं पदं प्रथमायां भवितुम् अर्हति द्वितीयायाम् अपि भवितुम् अर्हति यतोहि प्रथमा द्वितीया एतयोः द्वयोः विभक्तियोः रूपाणि समानानि भवन्ति देन् तत् नपुंसकं तत् शब्द तत् ते तानि दिस आल्सो कैन बी प्रथमा और द्वितीय डजंट मैटर नंदिग्रामं द्वितीय एकवचनं नंदिग्रामं नंदिग्रामौ नंदिग्रामाः द्वितीय यदि प्रथमा स्यात् नंदिग्रामः नंदिग्रामौ नंदिग्रामाः इति भवति अत्र तु नंदिग्रामं नंदिग्रामौ नंदिग्रामान् इति सो रैपिडली समिंग अप सुग्रीव सहितः सहितौ सुग्रीव सहितौ सुग्रीव सहिताः इति क ग पुष्पकं पुष्पके पुष्पकानि इति तत् ते तानि इति नंदिग्रामं नंदिग्रामौ नंदिग्रामान् इति रूपाणि भवन्ति पंचमः अंशः मन्ये अन्तिमः अंशः रिक्तस्थानं पूरणीयम् ओके तदा इज इक्वल टू तद् प्लस द तद्धितान्तम् ओके देन क यथा अच्छा he has given 3 yatha is yad plus thal there is a suffix called thal yatha he has given na book is giving you some thal then come to ga Srinivas if tada is yad plus da yada will be yad plus da on the same lines gha will be yad plus tasil is equal to yatah so you go to tad plus thal tatha thal tad plus thal from thal only tha will be taken la will lapse then on the across what is given atah this is idam shabda idam plus tasil atah idam shabda अयम इति पुल्लिंगे इयम इति स्त्रीलिंगे इदम इति नपुंसके भवति इयम सीता इयम मम Mata, Ayam Mama Putraha, Idam Mama Pustakam, Idam. Idam iti Pratipadikam tatra. Idam plus Tasil Ataha. Then Cha, Tataha. Tat Tasil. Tat plus Tasil Tataha. From that place, whatever it is. Then Antimaha again, Itaha also Srinivas, Idam plus Tasil. Tasil means Taha, very useful pratyaya. Gramataha, Nagarataha, Videshataha, Swargataha, Narakataha, you can use anything. Tat Shabdat Prakara Vachane Thal. There is a sutra, Tat Shabdat Prakara Vachane Thal. Applying that for Tadin, etc. So, is it okay? Or shall I repeat? Write this. Yeah. We will go from Ga. Yad plus Da is equal to Yada. Yad plus Tasil already given. So, Gna come. Tad plus Thal. Tad plus Thal. Tatha. Now, coming to Ataha, the Shabda is involved is Idam Shabda. Idam plus Tasil. Ataha. Similarly, Tat plus Tasil is equal to Tataha. Again, Idam plus Tasil is equal to Itaha. Itaha, Tataha, for both Idam Shabda is there. Idam is there. Okay. Shloka Sankhya Navashiti. Navashiti Tamaha. Patani.
Nandigrave jatam hitva Bhratruvihi
Saito Nagha
Ramasita Manupurapya Rajyam Punaravattavam.
Oh, sorry. Padachedam. Nandigrame jatam hitva Bhratruvihi Sahitaha Anagha Ramaha Sitam Anuprapya Rajam Punaha Avaptavan. Okay, purple chip. Nandigrame Akarad Jatam Hitva Bhratrubihi Bhratru Shabda Bhrata Bhrataro Bhrataraha Sahitaha Akaranta Anagaha same Ramaha same Sitam Akaranta Anuprapya Rajyam Punaha Avyayam Avaptavan Takaranta. Okay. Akanksha Punaha Avaptavan means got back, regained, got back again, got back. Kaha Avaptavan, who got back or received, regained. Ramaha Avaptavan, Rama got back, got, achieved, regained, whatever is it. When you say Punaha, it is regained. Avaptavan means just got. Who got? Rama got. Kidrushaha Ramaha Avaptavan. What type of Rama got it?
Anagaha Ramaha.
That sinless, pure Rama got it. Anagaha. Kim Avaptavan. What did he get? Rajyam Avaptavan. He got the kingdom. Kam Anuprapya Avaptavan. Getting what did he get? Getting what he got, the Anuprapya also means that. Saha Kaihi Sahita Avaptavan. With accompanied by whom did he get? Accompanied by his brothers, he got it. Kim Krutva Avaptavan. Doing what did he get the kingdom back? Jatam Hitva. Jata, Satam Hitva. Loosening his hair. Matched hair Avaptavan. So that was a vrata. He put a knot to his hair. Unless I achieve my target, I will not loosen my hair. So he let loose his jata and then matted hair. Kutra, where did he get? Nandigrame. Anvayartham.
Anagaha Ramaha Bhratrubhihi Sahitaha Nandigrame Jatam Hitva Sitam Anuprapya Rajyam
Punaha Avap. Anagaha Ramaha Pavitraha Nishpapaha Ramaha Bhratrubhihi Sodaraihi Sahitaha Nandigrame Pradeshi Jatam Hitva, loosening his hair, Sitam Anuprapya, having got Sita, Rajyam Punaha, again he got back his kingdom. So Padarthaha evamasti Anagaha Agarahitaha Nishpapaha Ramaha Bhratrubhihi Sahitaha Sahitaha also Yuktaha Nandigrame Sthane Pradeshi Jatam Jata Sata both are used. Matted hair, Jata is here. This is a word may not be familiar for matted hair. Only the sages and rishis in India, the people they have.
Jata means shikha, sir?
Not shika. Matted hair. When you don't comb your hair for a long time, they become matted, they knotted. That is called hitva, kektva. So loosening this, loosening the jata, tektva, leaving, Sitam Janakim, Anuprapya,
Samipam Sthapya.
Anuprapya, Rajyam, Samrajyam, Punaha Avaptavan,
Punaha
Alabhat, again he got back, regained. Samskrita Bhavartaha evamasti Nishpapaha Ramaha
Anujaihi Samupetaha Nandigrame Jatam Tyaktva Sitancha Samipam
Samsthapya
Pituhu Vachanat Purvam Praptam Ayodhya Rajyam Punaha
Adya
Praptavan.
Nishpapaha Ramaha, that pure Rama, Anujaihi Samupetaha, accompanied by his younger brothers, Nandigrame, in the place called Nandigrama, Jatam Tyaktva, disheveling his matted hair, Sitam cha Samipe, Samipam Samsthapya, and getting back Sita, along with him, Samsthapya, Pituhu Vachanat Purvam Praptam Labdam Ayodhya Rajyam, the kingdom of Ayodhya, which was earlier given to him by the word of his father, Punaha, again, Adya Praptavan, today he got back after this long fight. So having disentangled, disheveled or his matted hair at Nandigrama along with his brothers, and got back, getting back Sita, the sinless Rama regained his kingdom too. So that is the translation. Nidarshanam Srinivas. Kevalam amsha eka eva amsha asti kartum shakyate sandhi sahito anagaha visargasan punaravaptavan punaha avaptavan. Very simple. Again, samasa is only one, eka samasa, anagaha na agham yasya saha bahuri. Agham nama papam. Na agham yasya saha anagaha bahurihi krudantau dvau hitva ha iti dhatuhu. But he has not given one samasa here. Nandigrama. Nandigrama is samastapada. Nandi iti gramaha. Nandi iti gramaha, Nandigramaha. This is Karmadharaya samasa, which should have come under anagaha, below. Na agam yasya saha bahurihi samasa. Nandi iti gramaha. Himalaya parvataha is there. Himalaya iti parvataha. Hyderabad nagaram. Hyderabad iti nagaram. That is how it is. कृदन्तौ द्वौ हित्वा हा इति धातुः त्वान्तम् अनुप्राप्य अनु इति उपसर्ग प्र इति उपसर्ग आप इति उपसर्ग उपसर्गत्रयमत्र प्रयुक्तमस्ति अनु प्र आप एंड क्षम्यताम् अनु इति उपसर्गः प्र इति उपसर्ग आप इति धातुः मया भ्रमितः अनु प्र आप इति धातुः ल्यप् अन्तः अनुप्राप्य संप्राप्य इति अनुप्राप्य नाम संप्राप्य अत्र वयं स्थापयामः शुभं भूयात्।